Alright, G Squad, Tall Guy Car Reviews back with another legendary video, baby. What we doing today, man? Well, if you watched my last video, you would have seen smoked up the tires on the Hellcat. Actually, Bart did that over at High Tech Motorsport. Everybody go subscribe to his channel. ASAP. Let me show you what he did to the tires, man. Boom, there go the damage right there, man. So y'all see all this right here, man? Look at the smudge. I tried to wipe it off right there. That's a pure smudge. Could not get that joint off right there, man. Hopefully I ain't gotta redo the tail reflectors. But yeah, I couldn't get them joints off, man. So I got a type almost. We're gonna see. I'm gonna drop it off at Pristine Detail. Hopefully I don't gotta get the joint rewrapped, but if I gotta get it rewrapped, Pristine Detail, go and let me know. But that's gonna cost more of this right here. So G Squad, do me a favor. Please don't skip them ads, baby, because that's how I get that revenue to keep giving y'all this legendary content. But to drop the Hellcat off at Pristine, pick up my truck, my Ram Reezy, from Pristine, because y'all know the rap is done. Y'all seen that in the last video and all that good stuff, baby, with a whole bunch, a lot of legendary more stuff up in that video as well. But I got to drop that joint off to Pristine, get the sunroof put in, yeah, because that's why we here today, baby. Getting the sunroof and the whole roof liner redone. Now, I'm going to let y'all know, once the Ram Reezy is obviously complete and everything is done with the roof liner and all that, but I wanted to get a sunroof with the diamond tread stitching. I couldn't get the double panoramic one because everybody wanted to stay away from that because of leaks and all other stuff, but I wanted to get diamond tread, but I had to get a regular sunroof, and they go E running over here right now acting crazy. Look at him. He just got some new equipment for the gaming channel, so go ahead and tell him what you got, E. Hurry up real quick because we got to go.
That headset.
New headset for the gaming channel. Level Up Gaming. So go subscribe to his channel so y'all can watch all his streaming and all that when you do all that gaming stuff. Look at my beautiful woman right there. Just got out of work. But stay tuned because we got big news about that if you ain't watched that live stream video. But we're going to start the Hellkeys and we're going to get right to it. Love you too. So look, it's a little dark out right now, so work with me here. But I got a few things I've been having to do all day, so everybody just relax. But we got a lot of legendary stuff coming. Like I said, I had to get a regular sunroof put up in the Ram Reezy because everybody wanted to stay away from the panoramic. So I had to go with the regular Mook, and I had to go with like regular type roof liner. I couldn't get the diamond tread stitching. They wanted to stay away from that too, so I got to find somebody that can do that as well. Before we get to everything else, got to get a quick little legendary pull for y'all real quick. I ain't got that much tread left, but when I do got it, the joint kind of sliding around to you, feel it, baby? Look at this car. They're probably like, what the fuck are they doing? But yeah, got some legendary stuff coming y'all way, man, with the Ram Reezy and the Hellkeezy. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated with everything that's happening with the Hellkeezy. See, I got a camera man right now, camera woman, my woman. She's holding the camera right now for me. Greatly appreciate you, baby. Yeah. But yeah, man, we got more stuff coming, man, and maybe a YouTube channel for my woman, right, baby?
What's up?
No, you gotta answer the question.
Yes.
YouTube channel for my woman, or we might do like a family vlog channel. You catching up though, baby. Good job. Or we might do like a family vlog channel or something like that. Y'all let me know what y'all think I should do, man. But without further ado, I will see you when we get the Pristine Detail. You see the Ram Reezy with the badges and everything all put on, because at the meet and greet, the big legendary pull-up event, you know, where everybody came out and showed love. Big shout out to y'all again. I was tired as hell after that day. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. You know, I'm old as hell. Me and my woman fell asleep at 8 o'clock like this. Mouth open and all that. So you gotta understand, we were both RIP. Yeah, King was dead too though. King was out. King was Kentucky Fried Chicken. If you watch me or you follow me on Snapchat,
messing with us no more.
Not at all. He was dead. You know what I mean? But like I said, I'll see y'all when we get the Pristine Delta. Baby, go. That's cold with the lift and all that. Y'all know, y'all seen that in some videos before, man. Wait till I get all done up and yeah, come on, about to be the most legendary. Yeah, you know we gotta get them on the Ram Reezy. ASAP though, baby. No, watch. Jump up in it. He's a subscriber. He's a G Squad subscriber, so he don't care. It'll be an honor for him for you to step up in there and take a seat. Look at that. Come on, man. The big legendary, man. Look at that. Y'all see the Ram Reezy in the corner. You like it, baby? Ain't that joint sitting up high? They're sitting up higher than the Power Wagon that Fury gave me from the loaner whip. It's nice, right?
I can't see nothing, though.
No, of course not. But look at the roof. That's what I wanted in the Ram Reezy, baby. Everybody's trying to stay away from that joint, though.
Why?
Because if it's not from the factory, people got to worry about leaks and all that other stuff. So, yeah. Come on, baby. Let's see the hop down.
Okay, my twist might eat, though.
No, be careful.
Big job.
Look at the GTR with the same wrap that's on the Ram Reezy. Look at that. Copycat. You know, he's legendary, though, because of me. You're welcome. Congratulations. You're legendary now because you got the same wrap as Tall Guy Car Reviews, baby. Chris, what's up with you, brother? How you feeling?
All right.
You blessed?
Yeah.
All right, brother. You even more blessed. There goes some of that cash. And there goes a gift card for you, too, brother.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah. I got you, brother. You know what I'm saying? Take care of you. You know what I mean?
Like always.
Of course. All right, man, so we about to leave the Hellkeezy here, obviously, for all the rubber that's on there. Chris just came out here, sized it up, man. Ain't no way we getting that joint off there. So we got to get this joint rewrapped and done up, scrape all the rubber off the plastic and all that, because ain't no way that stuff is coming off. I mean, look at it though. We even rubbed on it in a few spots again. Look, that stuff is not coming off, man. Then we gotta get all this off here. Look how it's just caked up on it. Big chunks, like look at my fingers, like me, just from that little bitty touch, man. It's caked up on there, so we gotta redo that, get that stuff put on there, and then re-wrap it. So you gotta take that off, peel the wrap up, scrape all the stuff off the plastic, clean it up, wait for the wrap to get here. This is gonna take at least like 3-4 days for the wrap to get here. So then next you know, boom, redo the wrap, and then next you know, we gotta come over this way and redo the wrap in the front right here. So it's a real process, man. Then we get all the decals and all that stuff slapped back on the Ram Reezy right now, the 1500. Maybe 5.7, all that good stuff, man. I mean, come on, man. Y'all see the hell keys right there looking real greasy, just like the Ram Reezy, man. Come on, they about to back their joint in, pull it in, and all that good stuff. Everybody stay tuned for all the stuff that's happening. Look at the Ram Reezy. Don't that joint look good, man? Come on, man, with the blacked out windows. And they about to put 5% in the fronts and all that right after I get all this sunroof and all this stuff taken care of, man. Got the black accents really make it pop though, don't it? Look good, man. I love the way it turned out, man. It just looks so legendary, man. And I thought this was gonna look crazy with the red guts, but it actually looked real good like that with the wrap. I think it actually looks better than I thought it was gonna be, more than I anticipated. Let's go, baby. Here we go. Stillwater Ferry. This was where the big legendary pull-up event was at, man. Big legendary shit took place that day. But here we go, man. Stillwater Ferry. Gotta drop this joint off the Ryan, give her the keys and all that good stuff, man. And next time y'all see this joint, man, it's gonna have a full sunroof up in this joint. Not the panoramic joint, but the full sunroof, man. So everybody just stay tuned for that. There you go, baby. After you. Hey, Ryan, this right here got to be like my loaner car. I need something like this for my loaner car, right? Look at that, right? Don't that shit look good, though, right? That joint look good. You like it, though, right? I do. Are you being honest with me? You lying to me? It look good, right? Now imagine when I get them wheels put on. You see them wheels I got for it, right? Yeah. So, yeah, the rose gold. Rose gold now, right? Rose gold wheels, 6-inch lift. Huh? Yeah, give me one of the beefed up ones, the little souped up ones.
On the orange one or the white one?
Orange one. You know the orange, that's legendary. I want that orange one. Yeah, with the tires right there. Yeah, I need that one right there. Okay. Thank you, Ryan. I appreciate you so much. You're always looking out and showing love.
You're lucky.
You know I am. I'm blessed. God bless a lot of great people in my life like you, Ryan. Thank you very much. And here goes the key to my Ram right here. Can you unlock it for me right now, though, so that way I can stick this box in there? Thank you. Ryan, I appreciate you. So how long is it going to be? Wednesday? That's when the sunroof and all that be done? The headliner and the sunroof done Wednesday. So what time should I be here Wednesday to pick it up?
I'll call you.
Okay, thanks, Rye. Appreciate it, Rye. Have a good night, Rye. Thank you very much, Rye. I appreciate you, Rye. Thank you, baby. Who said chivalry is dead? Look at that joint right there. That joint look nasty, baby. That joint look nasty. She don't want to be on camera. That joint look nasty, man. Look at that damn thing. Ooh, shit, man. That joint just changed colors, man. Ooh-wee, man. Look at that, man. Y'all see this line right here? That's when Bart did that burnout in the Hell Keys. You see that joint, man? It's still messed up. It got the messed up gravel out here. Shout out to High Tech Motorsport. Go subscribe to the channel ASAP. You said what, baby? I'm sorry, did you say something? You want to be on camera? You got something to say to G Squad?
Are we taking the minivan?
No, we're not taking the minivan. Hell no, we're not taking the minivan, baby. We are taking this joint right here. The Wrangler, the Orange Smoke, baby. Big legendary stuff right here. You know, I got to have the most ferocious. It is type slow, but it's still legendary, baby. Come on, get on up there, girl. Yeah, that's okay, because you're a little small. It's okay. We all are a little challenged at something. You're a little height challenged. It's okay, baby. I got you. With your strengths are my weaknesses, and my weaknesses are your strengths, baby. All right, man. Well, listen here, man. There y'all go, man. We got the Wrangler joint. We got the Ram Reezy parked over there. Got to get the sunroof put in with the roof liner. Stay tuned for tomorrow, because you heard Ryan. She right there. She's trying to run in the building. She didn't want to be on camera. Wednesday, it will be done. And then after that, I am putting the rims and the lift on. And it will be that day that I put them on. So everybody stay tuned, man. Big legendary shit happening, man. DogEyeCurveViews.com, man. Get your merch, man. Got new merch, too. Got G Squad approved merch. Got the Top of the Mook merch. And I got the, what's the other one I got right there? Top of the Mook. Oh, big legendary merch, too. I got the big legendary merch, too, man. So everybody just stay tuned, man. But without further ado, this video is over. It's done. About to drive home in the Wrangler thing with the lifted up with the 35s on there, man. Big legendary shit, man. Living life to the max every single day, man. Big blessings. Thank you, God. Thank you, G Squad. I love y'all very much, man. See you on the next video, baby. I'm out of here. Quick talk.